What if life isn't just an accident of the cosmos? What if there's a grand design, a purpose that binds us all? These are questions that have intrigued humanity for ages. And today we delve into a perspective that offers a compelling answer, a perspective from a renowned Islamic scholar. This scholar has devoted his life to the study of Islam, engaging with its teachings and principles at a profound level, and he has found that returning to Islam isn't just a spiritual decision, it's a choice backed by science. One might wonder, how can a religious belief be backed by science? Well, the scholar begins by pointing to the Islamic concept of harmony. Islam promotes a balance between physical, mental, and spiritual health, a concept that modern science supports. The World Health Organization, for example, defines health as a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being. Next, he discusses the Islamic practice of prayer. Studies have shown that meditative practices like Islamic prayer can reduce stress, improve concentration, and even lower blood pressure. So when Muslims engage in their 5 daily prayers, they're not just fulfilling a religious duty, they're engaging in an activity that promotes mental and physical well-being. The scholar also highlights the scientific principles present in the Quran. For instance, the Quran describes the embryological stages of a human being, a fact that was unknown to science at the time of its revelation and was only discovered centuries later. Furthermore, the scholar points out that Islam's emphasis on seeking knowledge and understanding the universe aligns with the scientific method. In fact, during the golden age of Islam, Muslim scientists and scholars made significant contributions to various fields of study, including mathematics, astronomy, and medicine. In summary, the scholar presents a strong case for returning to Islam. He argues that Islam's emphasis on balance and well-being, its meditative practices, its scientific insights, and its encouragement of knowledge-seeking all align with modern scientific understanding. This perspective does not argue against science, but rather, it embraces it. It sees no contradiction between faith and reason, between religion and the natural world. It presents Islam not just as a spiritual path, but also a rational and scientifically compatible one. So as we ponder the grand questions of life and purpose, perhaps it's worth considering this perspective. Perhaps it's worth exploring the harmony between science and spirituality, between the seen and the unseen, because after all, isn't life itself a blend of the tangible and the intangible, the known and the unknown?